What you should know about summer break as an international student. Did you know you can stay in the US during summer break? Although you can absolutely travel internationally or go back home during the break, you might discover that summer is a great time to explore around or try some new activities. While you're in the US, here are some ideas that can help you take advantage of your summer break. 1. Enjoy the outdoors. Depending on where you are, summertime will finally bring warmer weather, and this is the perfect chance to explore the outdoors. The US has over 50 national parks, so if you enjoy nature, you will surely enjoy visiting one or a few of them. Whether you like hiking, climbing, or just sightseeing, you have plenty of options to visit. 2. Try a new water sport. One of the best things about summer is that you have plenty of chances to cool off at the beach, lake, or pool. With plenty of time in your hands, why not try swimming, surfing, or even kayaking? If you're feeling adventurous, you might want to try a snorkeling or scuba diving class. 3. Practice your favorite hobbies or try a new one. You can take a class or practice by yourself, whether you'd like to try some artistic activities like painting, photography, ceramics, playing an instrument, cooking, or any other activity you've been curious about. You can fulfill your free time with learning a new skill. 4. Visit local museums. If you're artistic, you'll enjoy visiting local museums to gather some inspiration, learn about the culture, and even find your new favorite artist. 5. Take a road trip. Do you enjoy driving? Taking a road trip can be a fun activity to do by yourself or with friends. Even if it's just for a weekend, it's very stimulating to step out of where you live to explore nearby places. You can enjoy new restaurants, museums, landscapes, and even meet new people. 6. Get prepared for the new semester. If getting an academic head start is a priority for you, take this opportunity to review your notes from last semester and reflect on what you learned and what's about to come. If you already registered for classes, you have an idea of what you will be studying, so read up some books about the subjects you are most excited about, or perhaps watch a TED Talk or documentary on YouTube. This will get you ready for next semester and will make you feel more prepared to take on your new classes. 7. Working. As an international student, your working options might be limited, but you can try applying for an on-campus job while school is open, or even think ahead and update your CV for future employment if you are planning on applying for OPT after you graduate. 8. Reset, refresh, and rest. Summer break gives you a well-deserved break from books, classes, and school assignments. You want to make sure you get plenty of rest so that you're feeling refreshed for the next semester. What are some of your favorite summer activities? If you've made it this far, congratulations on taking up your study abroad journey to the next level by learning with our videos. For more information, please visit our website fstudentlife.org. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want more videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates.